Trieste is launching restoration of Barcola Seafront following the storm damage back in November 2023.
We will put new rocks to protect. The period of job will be 90 days, and we will spend amount 300,000 euros.
And this project will make a bigger and higher seaside. And with this project, we will break the wave far away from the seaside, from the work.
According to city officials, the enhanced structure will provide greater resistance to waves and prevent erosion in the event of high winds and tides.